Hello friends, this is Russell Ahmed Raju from Russell Raju Institute. How are you? How are you all? In this video, I am going to show you introduce with Bengali vowels. Just in this video, no need to memorize these vowels. It's a just introducing video. So just watch and take idea the how is the Bengali vowels and what is it. Gather idea. Then in next video, I will try to make it easier and give you more practices. Okay, so this is the first time. Hope you can enjoy this video. So let's start. There are two types of Bengali vowels. Number one, main vowels and helping vowels. These are helping vowels and these are main vowels. Okay, so what's the difference between helping vowels and main vowels? Look at this. Here our pen. Okay, pen here E is used as a helping vowel. P-E-N, pen. Here E is used as a helping vowel. Egg. Here the E is used as a main vowel. Egg. The E is used as a main vowel, or here the E is used as a helping vowel. Another example, graph. Here A is used as a helping vowel, gra, G-R-A, gra, P-H, graph. But here A is used as a main vowel. Okay, both are different. Hopefully you can understand all right. And it's O, simply O. The letter is O. How to write it? Okay, simple O. Okay, again O. This is A. It's a main vowel A. Just add a extra layer, extra line for making A. So it's O, it's A. O, A. It's E. E. How to write it? E. Okay. E. It's E. 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 Simple pressure. You have to give simple pressure. Okay. E. E. How to write it? Just okay. It's E. Okay. It's U. U. Simple U. It's like English A, English O. It's like English A. It's like English E or I. E. U. 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 Something extra pressure. U. U. It's simply U. It's some extra pressure. U. Okay. How to write this? Just okay. It's U. It's U. And just add an extra line for U. Okay. It's A. Simple A. 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 How to write it? Just A. Okay. A. It's oi. A, oi. It's oi. Oi. How to write it? Just add an extra layer. O. English O. It's Bangla O. 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 How to write it? O. O. It's O. It's O. How to write it? Just add an extra. Okay, just O. Okay. It's Re. Re. How to write it? Re. Okay, it's Re. So guys, these are main vowels. Same, these are helping vowels. Just another version of these vowels. Use as a helping vowels with our words. It's A. Okay, it's A. Simple border. It's A. How to write it? A. A. Okay. It's E. 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 Okay. It's E. Look at. It's O. It's A. It's A. It's E. It's E. It's E. It's E. It's U. It's U. It's U. It's U. Okay. E. E. It's U. It's U. How to write it? Simple, okay? It's U. How to write it? It's U. It's U. U. It's just an introducing video. No need to learn deeply. Just watch and check this idea. Just take idea and watch how the Bengali vowels. Just idea, okay? No need to memorize and no need to learn instantly. Hope I will explain it later and I will make use practice. So don't worry. It's A. A. It's a main vowel. A is a helping vowel. Okay. A. It's a helping vowel. It's a main vowel. It's Oi. 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 It's Oi also, but it's a main vowel. It's a helping vowel. How to write it? Oi. Oi. It's O. Simple O. It's also O, but it's a main vowel. It's a helping vowel. O. O. It's O. It's O. It's also O, but it's a main vowel. It's a helping vowel. O. How to write it? O. It's a main vowel. It's a helping vowel. Okay. O. It's re. It's re. It's a main vowel. Re. It's a helping vowel. Very easy to write. Just simple. Like let's get out the easy. Re. Okay. So these are Bengali vowels. Again, I am repeating. O. O. A. A. E. 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 U. 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 A. A. Oi. Oi. O. 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 Re. Re. Thanks for watching. Bye.